The barcode scanning feature within Khaos Control Cloud allows users to search for stock, carry out a stock take, perform pick, pack, dispatch processes, book in goods delivered, as well as making selections within the Sales Invoice Manager and Quick Dispatch. To use barcode scanning within the system, it must first be enabled by the user. This is done by clicking the barcode scanner symbol at the top of the screen and then enabling the barcode functionality toggle. We will now look at how to use a barcode scanner to book in a delivery from our suppliers. At the top of the Items Awaiting to be Delivered grid, you should have a barcode scanning symbol which indicates that barcode scanning is enabled on your system. Scanning at any barcode of a stock item located in this grid will automatically move it to the top Items Delivered grid. We now need to confirm the quantity to be booked in. To finish off, we only need to save the delivery note. We will now look at processing an order in Sales Invoice Manager. Within Sales Invoice Manager, barcode scanners can be used during the pick, pack and dispatch process, confirming the correct items have been selected and packed ready for dispatch. With the sales order green selected in the picking stage, click Actions followed by Pick Pack Verification. At the top left of the pop-up, there is a toggle so the user can select if they are picking or packing, although the process is identical for both. Click the Scan Code box to begin the process. We are now ready to scan the products on the order. When a product is scanned, a few things happen on screen. Firstly, if we have scanned an item that is not required, a pop-up appears confirming this. In the stock item grid, the row for the stock item that we have just scanned will turn either orange or green. Orange signifies at least one more of the item is required, whilst green informs us no more of this item is required for the order. The S order column will also change to orange or green for all of the stock rows relating to this order. Again, this indicates if the complete order has been picked or not. Lastly, the pick quantity or pack quantity value will increase by 1 depending on if the user is picking or packing. A % complete indicator is also displayed to inform the user how much of the current order they have processed. We will now repeat the process for packing. When we have finished scanning barcodes, we only need to click OK and move the orders to the next stage of Sales Invoice Manager. Quick Dispatch can also use barcode scanners to pick, pack and dispatch orders. Having already printed documentation relating to a sales order, click the Scan Document box and then scan the barcode at the bottom left corner of the document. A comprehensive pick pack verification window will now be displayed. As in Sales Invoice Manager, the general operation of this screen is the same, but with additional shipping capabilities. Set the verifying pick toggle as required, enabled to verify the pick, disabled to verify the pack. Then click the Scan Code box. Scan the barcodes of our products. If we scan a product that is not required for the order, a pop-up is displayed advising us of this fact. When we have finished scanning products, we can move on to the invoice box. Select the courier to be used for the order. enter the order weight if required, and the number of labels if greater than 1. Then click Process. A shipping label will now be produced for any integrated couriers, and the order is fully processed. Lastly, we will look at barcode scanning in order to perform a stock take. From within the stock adjustment screen, enter Edit mode. Now, to use barcode scanning, we must enable the simple stock take toggle and then select the scan code box. Scanning any known barcode or reference for a product will add it to the grid with a quantity of 1. Each additional scan of an item will increment the adjust to value by 1. However, you can manually enter a value if you wish. Add any notes that are required, and then click Save Stock Adjustments. Thanks for watching.